What's up guys? What do you think it is? It looks like a big charging case of a wireless earbuds. However, in fact, it is a portable personal massager. We have tested many different massage guns on our channel Tech Brothers, but this massager looks something new. It is called Olynvolt Pocket, and today we are going to test it. You know, this device uses dance technology or transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation. We will also talk about efficiency of dance to relief of chronic pain or sore muscles in this video. When you buy Olynvolt Pocket, you will get it in the box like this. There's only the image of the product and its name on the front. On the back we can read some specifications. Inside the box there is user manual, a pocket charging case, and USB charging cable. When you open the case, you will find two massager device units and two organic replacement pads. Before we talk about massage units, let's take a look at the charging case. First, it is made of a very pleasant, soft plastic. The dimensions of the charging case are 95 by 60 by 45 mm. The weight is 100 grams. There is Olynvolt logo on the front of the case, as well as USB Type-C port at the bottom. When you open the case and take a massage unit of it, you will see the power indicators. 4 indicators mean a full battery charge, while a single indicator tells you to put the case on charge. Talking about the main massager unit, it has a magnetic clasp to attach it to a massage patch, like that. It also has charging contacts, as well as control buttons, such as power on-off, strength minus, strength plus, and mode. Overall, Olynvolt Pocket is made very well, and it looks like expensive medical equipment. However, the most important thing is the pocket size of the charging case. You can take it everywhere with you. The case even fits in a jeans pocket. Okay, now let me tell you step by step how to use Olynvolt Pocket. So first, you need to remove massage patches and the main massage units from the charging case. Now connect the main units to the patches. The next step is to tear off protective films of the massage patches and patch them on the parts of your body that will be massaged. By the way, it is better to put back the protective films into the charging case to prevent them loss. Okay, now press the power button on the main unit. Using the minus and plus buttons, you can adjust the massage strength. There are 16 degrees of intensity available. Olynvolt Pocket also has 6 massage modes, such as pounding, kneading, intelligent, soothing, scraping, and press. When you want to finish the massage, press the power button on the main unit. Remove the patches from your body and attach the protective films back to the massage patches. Don't forget to put the main units and massage patches to the charging case. That's all. By the way, in user manual I found that the best locations for massage are shoulder, waist, back, and limb. The prohibited massage positions are throat, abdomen, chest, and head. Talking about battery of Olynvolt Pocket, the charging case has a capacity of 450 mAh, while a single host battery capacity is 60 mAh. You can use a single massage unit for 4.5 hours on a single charge. Depending on your body part, you can use 1 or 2 massage units. A total battery life with the charging case for 2 units is 27 hours. Now I want to share my impressions of the Olynvolt Pocket. You know, I was mostly testing massage guns that use vibration therapy or percussive massage treatment. Olynvolt Pocket uses a completely different technology. It is called TENS, or Transcutaneous Electrical Nerve Stimulation. In simple words, TENS send electrical pulses across the skin surface to the nerve endings of the sore areas. In this way, the massager relieves a chronic pain. Olynvolt Pocket can also be used for muscle stimulation. It reduces recovery time between workouts. I am not a medical person or a professional athlete, so I can't say which massager is better. However, after using Olynvolt Pocket on legs, arms, and back, I felt relaxed. It is better to start with a low strength and don't attach massage patches close to the nerve endings, for example on the lower arm. When I did, I felt my fingers living their own lives. Overall, the device worked very well. So a portable pocket size and a charging case like earbuds, long battery life, various massage modes and intensity, as well as effective pain relief are the main advantages of Olynvolt Pocket. By the way, I have 25% off discount for subscribers of our channel Tech Brothers. You will find a code in description under the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.